Hi guys, I just helped somebody on Discord about cdemu, something about CD emulator, and I thought let's just put a video out there, so maybe that's interesting for you as well. Now I wanted to think about cdemu. Let's go for that first. Thanks, but no thanks, not right now. I agree, and I guess yes, this is the one. SourceForge. This is the website I went to. So what is that? And I think it reminds me of clone CD we used back in the years. That's the image on the other thing called what is it again? Windows, I think. Anyway, so this application looks similar than this one. It emulates a ISO. It needs a particular module to do so. And let's try to do that again, but not on my main machine. Super 7, I just made a video and have an up-to-date ArcoLinux VirtualBox ready to test out. So let's cancel, damn, Control R, reboot, reset the R. So the right control and then R resets everything much faster than putting everything. So we're gonna try to do this in VirtualBox. I'm not sure that's possible. I think so. So cdemu thingy. All right, Control T. Yay! It's an CD emulator, and we have cdemu client and the demo. We both need them. We need them together. So they're coming from us, for us, from ArcoLinux, so ArcoLinux has nothing to do with it. And then it says module VBHP not found, and so on and so on. So I had the reflex to go to Control Alt F, Firefox is gonna be installed, to have a look, to do a copy paste basically, just find out if this module, Control C, and then ArcoLinux module, and then Control V, whoops, Control Z. Let's just type it there, VHBA. Is there something out there? And I saw this thing and said, oh, look at that, there is a module. And then didn't work either. Then I thought maybe there is something else, which is similar, VHBA. So this is the complete search engine ArcoLinux provides, and it's not AOR. It says, doesn't say in the URL here AOR. It says this is AOR. This is the packages of ArcoLinux, and it says DKMS. I said, maybe the DKMS will work. So this thing, Control C, let's install that one. And that's the process I've done in my mind. So for any future application, do the exact same process. And this conflicts with that. Fine, go get it out of here though. Not the DKMS, but let's install instead DKMS. And what happens, whatever kernel you're on, and it says here, whatever kernel you're on, LTS, the Zen and the hardened, the DKMS thing will make the installation unable to install module for kernel, missing kernel headers. Aha! So sudo pacman -s linux headers. Okay. So read, stay in the terminal and follow what they say to you. And let the there you go. There you go. That's the line you want. DKMS install, and then you see the name VHBA module thing. So I had also the reflex to, I saw the word daemon, right? Daemon. So should I enable it, was my reflex. And it's CD something, and there you go. CD, tab, boom. Didn't know anything about the name, just type two letters CD and then tab, and it's auto-completed. So you reboot so the thing can start, because we enabled it, doesn't mean it started. At reboot, it starts anything that you have enabled. like for instance the LightDM. All right, and then the code. I should go read the code because it's, but we can just show you guys on GNOME disks. Or is it Tunar? Tunar maybe as well. So this is my ISO from the system. That doesn't count. So I guess I need to go to the GNOME disks. Disk then. There you go. And here we have something that I said, hey, what's this? I have a second CD-ROM, cdemu, right? So here you go. We have this thing working, and then it was, well, the person in question gave me the code. I don't know what code it was, cdemu, and then you go for help, right? And you load things up like bus. No, I don't think so. Command loads an image to the device. So load probably, and then you need to load something up, an ISO somewhere. I don't have any ISOs. This is a virtual box, so it would be silly to have an ISO in a virtual machine. So there you go. It is working. The only thing you now need to know is how to load things up. If you want to hold on, I'll check on the other machine. All right, so I press tab, and this is the options we can have, and it's the 0 or the O. Not sure what it is. Might be, okay, I'm not in the right screen here. So it's either an O or a 0, one of them. And you go to where the data is. And it's between home, Eric, and then blah 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 .iso. And you've loaded it, this thing. You've put it in here in the cdemu CD-ROM. That's it. May it be of interest to anybody else. Just mind that you need the DKMS version. That's, I think, gonna be most stable for the future. Whenever a new Linux kernel is coming, or an LTS or a Zen on a hardened, it gets rebuilt. All right, cheers.